It's a very nice experience. We came, most of us, from another big festival, and I'm very happy to have been invited here. I mean, for this first edition, I didn't know anything about the film festival of Montenegro, and I was very curious to know about what was going on in the region. And the event was really perfect in terms of knowing about what is going on here, knowing about all the directors and films that are planning to be produced, and to be in such a nice context and so well organized event. Definitely, actually, I think we are all quite surprised by the attractivity and the interesting stories that were told. And I am myself running a project for co-production, so I'm very attentive to what could potentially interest French producers. And they were really very interesting project, and I hope they will find like some support and some partners in France, I mean, to co-develop their film and co-finance them and go beyond the regional borders. I think they shouldn't hesitate to get in touch with the audiovisual representative of the embassy. I mean, I am now covering the region, which is quite a new position, so of course no one is really aware. But if they need any advices on how to apply to the National Film Center, how to find a producer, we are running a project also which makes that we bring French producers here in the region to participate in different festivals. So this is not very much advertised, so that I can give, of course, information, of course, in general, all the year long around our schemes for production, for distribution, media literacy, any kind of information that could be of interest and where France can help.